Yeah, good morning, everyone. We are seeing some pullback in the international market. We had seen corrections in last few days, but since the big data is expected today evening, that is of CPI inflation US data. So we are seeing whatever the decline has come for that some reversals. That is there across the board, US also, and also we are seeing that the dollar index has also uh, bit come off from by around 25 basis points from the same time last yesterday. Uh, yeah, the expectations of the inflation data, the market is likely to remain range bound and looking for this outcome of that come. Uh, Apart from that, oil also came off by around $1, and iron ore is down by around 1%, and steel is also flat. So seems more of a consolidation happening before the event. I'll request technical team to take up from here.
Yeah, thank you, sir. Good morning, all of you. See, yesterday we saw that pullback rally a second half and Nifty sustained 21,600 and above close. Next, intraday immediate resistance place around 21,700. If Nifty managed to sustain this level, then we expect further rally. Otherwise, we expect some sideways momentum if Nifty again trading below 21,600. Downside 21,500 and then 21,450 is a major support zone for Nifty. So today we expect a flattish open and remain a sideways day. If Nifty break 21,700 and above level, then we expect further rally. Bank Nifty also facing the immediate resistance around 47,780, 800 in upside. If Bank Nifty clear this level 47,800, then we expect upside towards 47,960, 48,250. First immediate support place around 47,320 and 47,000 at downside. So overall, we expect flattish open. First half, we watch closely. If break important intraday resistance, then we expect further rally. Fin Nifty first immediate support place around 21,290. If break this level, then followed towards 21,200 and 21,130 at downside. Upside, first immediate resistance place around 21,400. Stock specific, Vedanta looks positive. Yesterday we saw that good rally in Vedanta, almost 2.5%, and sustained to 64 above range. To expect this rally to be continued towards 280 to 284 in upside. First immediate support place around 256 and downside. To Vedanta looks positive. Reliance Industry also given a good rally in yesterday's session. This rally to be continued to this session. Next immediate level 2720 and 2714 upside. First support place around for intraday 2630, 2620, 2610 and down. Third, Cipla also given a good rally with volume breakout. We expect this rally to be continuing Cipla also. Next immediate intraday target is 1370, 1400 in an upside, and support place around 1290. That's it for technical derivative I can carry.
Thank you. Good morning, everyone. So on the derivatives front, as you are witnessing that from past 3 days, Nifty is continuously coming near the support zone of 21,500 to 450 level, but continuously at that point of time, we are seeing that the put writer positions is not getting shifted. Is a positive sign. Till the time it's not getting shifted, till that point of time, we will witness the buy positions because at 21,500 level, we are seeing that on a weekly basis and a monthly basis on both the front, the put buy writer positions is almost around 19 million positions. While on the upper end, we are seeing that the resistance from near 21,800 level and about that 22,000 level will come. So once if Nifty spot goes about 21,800 level, then we will see fresh rally again in the market. Till that point of time, we might witness the range bound momentum. While the another positive data point which triggered yesterday was PCROI. From past 3 to 4 days, we are seeing that the PCR was continuously trading below one level. But in yesterday's session, we have seen that in the second half, where the market gave a pullback in that point of time, we have seen a PCR almost come above 1.05 level and gave closing near that level. So it is a positive sign. So till the time Nifty is not going below 21,500 to 450, which is a supportive base, till at that point of time, all the long positions and new long positions can be created. But once if it breaks that supportive level, then at that point of time, we should exit longs and new short can be created, because below that directly we might witness around 300 to 400 points of fall. So hold the long position with the strict supportive levels. While on the sectoral basis and stock specific front, IRCTC and Motherson Sumi looks positive. We have witnessed that from past 2 weeks, continuously fresh long positions has been witnessed in the range bound session, and we have seen that in yesterday's session the breakout has also been confirmed. So we expect the momentum will be witnessed in next 1 to 2 days of trading session in IRCTC and Motherson Sumi. So that's it from the front. Thank you.
Good morning. Nuvama Wealth Management subsidiary, which is into asset management, has formed a 50-50 joint venture with a US-based real estate firm, Cushman and Wakefield, to provide investment opportunities to domestic investors in India's commercial real estate market. JV aims to raise 3,000 crores for investing in commercial offices across India. So this can be a new, growth avenue for Nuvama. So it's positive. CESC has received an order from Uttar Pradesh Electricity Regulatory Commission approving PPA for procurement of 95 megawatts of power per year for a period of 5 years. So it's positive for CESC. And Bank of India Q3 business update has come in, which is neutral. Advances grew by 4% sequentially and 11% year on year. Deposit growth on a sequential basis was just 1%, and on year basis 9%. Thank you.
Good morning. Atul Products Limited, which is wholly owned subsidiary of Atul Limited, has commenced its operations of 300 tons per day caustic and 50 megawatt power plant at Atul site. The approved investment for the said operations is rupees 1,035 crore. So this is positive for the company. Thank you.
Yeah, apart from this, Kalyani Steel has acquired the assets of Kamnani Steel and Power Plant, that is from NCLT. This Kamnani Steel Plant has a capacity of around 0.35 million ton steel billet. It's not clear whether it is induction furnace or blast furnace. Uh, Assuming Kalyani Steel is in blast furnace and the product which the Kalyani Steel manufactures are mostly alloy steels, so must be blast furnace. Then looking at the cost of acquisition of around 450 crores, the assets looks attractive. The acquisition looks very attractive. As such, positive for Kalyani Steel. Apart from this, though in last 2 days there was a news around that the Polycab India, there was an income tax search and a lot of news were moving around. Today, even on the website of Income Tax Department, this has been flashed by them. It seems the the findings of the income tax department are a bit larger, so we may have some more positive negative impact, sorry, negative sentimental impact on Polycab in today's trade. That's all from us. Now I'll request commodity team to take up from here.
Yes, sir. Thank you very much. Good morning, everyone. So yesterday we had witnessed a pullback in commodities, and in the second half, the prices had corrected. And if you talk about gold, prices are have tested the support zone of 62,000 to 61,800. So there could be some pullback, but however, on upside again, 62, 400, 500, there are resistance. So there could be some range bound movement, and in silver also, prices as long as it is holding 71, 500, then one can buy with the stop loss for a pullback. And again on upside, 72, 500, 72, 800, one should take profits. In crude oil, there could be some range bound movement as prices are supportive at lower level on 58, 50, and one can initiate a buy around 5900 and maintain a strict stop loss of 5940. And on upside again, 6000, 6050, one should take profits, and also sell around 6050 with a strict stop loss of 6110. In natural gas, we had seen prices yesterday correcting and testing 247 levels on downside. So it can correct till 240. Uh, from there, one can initiate a buy with a stop loss of 230. And on upside again, 255, 257, one can sell with the stop loss of 265. In metal front, copper, if prices are sustaining about 717, then there could be a pullback till 724, 25. So maintain a stop loss of 713. In zinc also, as long as prices are holding 222, there could be some pullback till 224, 25. So buy for buy with a stop loss of 221. That's it from me. I'll ask Utkarsh to take the call forward.
Thank you, sir. Very good morning, all of you. For today's trading session in USDRR, we are expecting some sideways to bearish momentum. So one can initiate a short positions in the range of 105.10, sorry, 83.10 to 83.12 levels. You can initiate a short positions with a strict stop loss of 83.22 levels for the target of 83 and 82.92 levels. In GBP INR, one can initiate a long positions if we get some profit booking around 105.92 to 105.87 levels with a strict stop loss of 105.66 levels for the target of 106.15 and 106.30 levels. In Euro INR, one can initiate a long positions around 91.16 levels with a stop loss of 90.84 for the target of 91.45 and 91.67 levels. In JPY INR, one can initiate a long positions around 57.22 to 57.20 levels with a stop loss of 57 for the target of 57.55 and 57.77 levels. Thank you.